Hatire gaja uthite na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo TV ni mohoro ma thaa mugwanja na njira ndaya toria tukuhaririirie na nie nguguthomera njitagwo Francis Wairura ndire wika no indi turateithania na memereke na njira ya cieko etagwo Lorena Wambui na turambiriria na riboti igie NYS kaunti-ini ya Meru. Makiria ma mbeu njithi 920 kuma kaunti-ini ya Meru ni mathite na mbere na gukorwo magunikite na mubango uria uri rungu rwa Meru National Youth Service kuringana na afitha munene Meru Youth Service Edwin Murangiri athite na mbere na gukorwo kiuga ati mubango uyu ukurithitio na gukorwo nyitithitio thinga ni gavana wa kaunti ino na niwe Mutuma.
Imeweza kusaidia. Hii program ilitengenezwa ikiwa ya kuempower vijana ama kufanya vijana wawache kuwa vijana ambao wame lose hope kimaisha, waweze kuwa ni vijana ambao wanajisaidia. Mtu akiamka asubuhi anaamka akijua anaenda kufanya nini. Hiyo ndio the core objective ya hii program ya Meru Youth Service. Na kwa hivyo hata ukiangalia ile kazi ambayo tunawafanyia, discipline training ambayo tunawapeleka, na hii maneno tunafanya ya kuenda community service, ni ndio tunawafanyia kama teaser. Ukiamka asubuhi siku yako unafaa uamke, uoge, ungarisha mahali pale ambapo unakaa, alafu kisha uende kazi. Kama saa hii wanaenda kazi kila siku na watakuwa wanalipwa shilingi 500 per day kwa ile kazi yote wamefanya kwa siku 37 zenye watakaa kwa kazi. Kwa hivyo ni kumaanisha ya kwamba ni kama unawafanyia orientation kazi itakuwa namna gani. Ndio sasa hata wakienda shule already picha ishakuja kwa akili yao vile watakuwa. Lakini ni vile hawakuwa na course ama certificate ama skill. So sasa hii unakuja ndio upate certificate, kwa sababu wakati mwingine utapata kama zile kazi zinatokea za kwenda kazi majuu, wanauliza uko na nini, unaoneshana ya kwamba wewe umehitimu hiyo course yenye unasema uko nayo. So sasa hii ni kuhakikisha ya kwamba hao vijana wote wako na certificate ambayo wanaweza onyesha ya kama evidence ya ile kazi ambayo wamesomea.
Nashukuru sana gavana yetu kwa kuleta umulani, kwa maana umesaidia vijana wengi.
Kwangu kosi ambayo niko nayo ambayo nimepanga kufanya plant operator na ambayo nitaifanya, na nashukuru kwa sababu ya mafundisho haya ama training hii. Ni training ambayo inaweza rekebisha mtu, training ambayo inaweza ikafunza, na zaidi unaweza pata kitu ambayo inaweza kusaidia kimaisha hapa.
Mimi mradi imenisaidia sana. Cha kwanza nilikuwa mtu kijana mzuri, nilikuwa mtu wa madrugs, pombe, sigara na bangi. Lakini tangu niingie hii mradi imefanya nikajua hata my future. Sikuwa na future kabisa sababu sikuwa na kazi. Na hata sikuwa na skill yote, ni kwa mimi mtu wa hapa na kule natafuta na kula. Lakini saa hii nashukuru governor, nashukuru Meru County, nashukuru pia my CEO kwa kutuleta pamoja, na nimejua maneno mingi sana. Naahidi mimi na vijana wengine wetu tutasonga mbele pamoja.
Na kuma kaunti-ini ya Meru riu reke tuhiuke nginyagia kuria ithwiro ria bururi. Ngwataniro ya gutetera ihoto cia arutani guku bururi-ini NAT riu ni thite na mbere na gukorwo ikiuria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gukorwo igiteithiriria arutani kuma mwena ithwiro ria bururi na aria marathina na gukorwo magĩthũngana na moritũ ma mũbango wa SHA. Kũringana na kĩama gĩkĩ kĩroiga atĩ arutani aingĩ ona thengia gũkorwo atĩ nĩ mararengwo mbeca cia SHA tingĩo mangĩhota gũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo makĩamũkĩra motungata thĩinĩ wa thibitarĩ cia mũingĩ kana ningĩ thibitarĩ iria nĩ cia andũ kĩũmbe.
Medical has become an issue. Like we have said from all time immemorial, that the teacher of this country has not had a medical cover. We had AON, but in September last year, when NAT visited the head of state, we did agree that we will do away with AON Minet and now bring on board SHA. It is true that we have a universal health cover provided by the government of Kenya, and the teachers were given SHA as their cover. And we agreed with the head of state and the government that we are going to do a 3-month trial. And the 3-month trial, according to me, are now over. Now, but the teachers have not had the cover that they were looking for. SHA has not done what it was supposed to do. I think it was a coup on the teachers of this country having gone in for SHA. But we are saying we can always make amends. We are asking, can we go back and review our SHA so that SHA can help our teacher? We had given our proposals in terms of the promotions of the teachers of this country. We had also said we need a review of the career progression guideline, because the scheme we have today has stagnated our colleagues. So we are asking if the Treasury will receive this report and you look at it and agree that you can do something. Kindly make the teacher of this country proud by reducing the number of cadres.
Na tukimulika ingi ciĩgie ministry ya Mbutu ni ati minister wa mbiraru guku bururi-ini na niwe Soipan Tuya ni athiĩte na mbere na gukorwo akiruta mukana mururu kuri andu aria makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari guthukangia mutito wa Loita. Soipan na uria umite mwena ucio wa Loita oigite ati ni kiha kinene kuona miti igithukagio o riri thirikari iri ihenya-ini ria gutigirira ati miti ni ya hando ya mamiri kana miti ya mabilioni ma mbeca ni athi na mbere na gukorwo ihanditwo guku bururi-ini kwa ihinda riri. Soipan aroiga ati Mbutu cia KDF ni ihotete gukorwo ihandite miti makiria ya milioni 160.
Kama shukrani kwa wakazi wa Loita. Wakazi wa Loita wamefanya kazi muhimu sana, kwa sababu kusema ukweli hii msitu ya Nimingio imeweza kusurvive ama imekuwa kwa sababu ya bidii yenu na juhudi yenu. Pigeni makofi, mjifikie makofi. Hakuna kwingine ambao msitu imehifadhiwa na imetunzwa. Na nashukuru kabisa kwa kazi hasa wazee na wenyeji, kwa sababu mmekuwa na suluhu ambayo imetoka kwenyu.
Niche as a university is tourism, environmental resource conservation and climate action. So what we are doing today resonates very well with what we do as a university. I'm going to talk to the PS Environment so that we can work together in this initiative of the 15 billion trees.
Will bear as witness, KDF has done over 160 million trees since the tree growing program began. And we are very confident that we will be able to meet our quota. PS, I can assure you of that. We have various forests in the country that have been allocated to the Ministry of Defense and KDF in Nakuru County, Isiolo County and Samburu. And I am here today because of the rallying call from the Ministry of Environment for national champions to come out and champion conservation. So I stand here as a champion for Enaiminengio Forest, enlisted by the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry to support in the conservation efforts as directed by His Excellency the President. So I'm here as a champion for this forest, and I want to assure the people of Loita forest community that we are going to work together. We need to read from the same script, and the county government, of course, of Narok is also taking the lead. We need to read from the same script so that every effort that we put into the Loita forest has to translate into economic benefit.
Na tuhiuke nginyagia kuria kaunti-ini ya Migori. Kuna andu ingi kaunti-ini ya Migori makoretwo na kana makoretwo mahatiriirio ni thina wa unyihu kuhurana na mirimo thakame-ini. Riu kaunti ino iroiga ati gwa miaka iri iri na mubango wa gutigirira ati thina uyu ni wathira kaimana. Maabitha a ugima wa mwiri mathiĩte na mbere na kuroma kiuga ati twana ni tuo tukwamba gukorwo tukirigitwo.
Tuko baridi afya, tutakuwa na sherehe nzuri katika gatuzi letu la Migori. Kwa hivyo kwa nafasi hii Yes.
Currently have a growing burden of sickle cell, though our anecdotal data shows 2,576, but I'm sure this data may be big outside there because we have factors that hinder these people to seeking care, like stigma, and also we have other issues around sickle cell, which are more of cultural and socio-cultural in nature that hinders them seeking care.
Our focus is on children, newborns up to 5 years, because we realize that at that age, the children depend entirely on the parents to help them live with the disease, if at all it is detected. But research that has been ongoing is that if this disease is detected early, it can be treated, and these children can be managed. It can be managed successfully.
Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti yo kuma kaunti-ini ya Migori, reke twambe tuikirie na ni turacokereria.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka yo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moka magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system eira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic inyoka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD, macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Beron Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka ĩngĩ harĩa Babylon Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani ni harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ na WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795789804 0795789804 kana email itũ nĩyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Nĩ wĩharĩirie kuoya kinya mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩria gũthoma ndũgathinĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithia kothi itiganĩte ta journalism and media studies nĩguo memerekia, hospitality management nĩguo ũrugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nĩmo maũndũ megiĩ maini na ũthaka, CT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makĩria moguo. Nĩ tũrĩ na thiomi na nja nĩcio Korean language o hamwe German. Tucerere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatũ kũrigania na TRM. No tuhũrĩre thimũ namba 0713 nĩyo 0703000071 kana no tucerere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩruo Jewel College. technicalcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. Muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na Emma Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamaũthĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitana Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Naam, karibu rorege ni twacokeraria hari kirekaria keri na ria muthia. Arĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya kũgacĩrithia motungata ma ũruti wa wĩra o ũndũ ũmwe na waragania. Rĩu thirikari ya kaunti ya Machakos nĩ ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo ĩrugũrĩte mũbango wa mwanya. Na kũringana na gavana wa kaunti ĩno Aliwe Wavinya Wadeti, athiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo akiuga atĩ mũbango ũyũ ti wa gũkorwo ũkĩrutũhia mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya aruti a wĩra, no ĩndĩ nĩ ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ wĩra nĩ warutwo na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.
Very keen, very helpful CCM. Allow me, Your Excellency, with your indulgence, to Private Schools Association. They are serious stakeholders. And we found it on a Willy Motisa is around. Also is around Daktari from Kangu. Katibu chukua yako. Karibu sana Daktari.
This system will drive our service delivery efficiency to another level, ensuring no more carrying physical files from office to office. At the same time, revenue will also be safeguarded. By automating the process, we have sealed revenue leakages, those gaps that were money meant for public services used to disappear. Tunafunga mashimo.
Your approval can be computed online. It can be receipted online. You get your receipt. The receipt will also be able to be recognized by bank online. The system is integrated with our county revenue account. So that money you pay via your M-Pesa or you pay from your bank, you transfer money direct into the county account. Money is recognized. The system can be able to recognize that money has been paid, and then it can be able to issue you with a receipt. The receipt, you don't have to visit the county office to get a receipt for the payment of that approval. You are able to get your receipt and you print in your own place.
Valuation role is very important because ile inatumika ni ya zamani, properties are undervalued. So sasa tukiwa na new role, the county will get more resources to help serve the communities. Even when you said your land and the valuation is low, the rating is low, then you also have a problem because the would-be purchaser thinks if the valuation is so low, so why are you selling it at a higher price?
Na tukirikiria ni ati arĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya gũtigĩrĩra kũrĩ na motungata ma mũingĩ mwena wa Luanda kaunti ya Vihiga. Rĩu thirikari nĩ yũrĩtio ĩtigĩrĩre atĩ nĩ yakorwo ĩgĩtũma maabitha thĩinĩ wa wabici cia ũtungata wa mũingĩ iria itarĩ na aruti a wĩra. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno yũkĩte arĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mũingĩ mwena ũcio nĩ watungatwo na njĩra ĩgwete.
Na ame apply na hata ameenda as far as kufanya interview kwa position yetu ya Ebusundi. Sisi malalamishi yetu ni hivi, hatuna shida na huyo mtu ambaye ameapply, si adui wetu, hatuna kukosana na yeye, lakini tunaomba tu haki ya Ebusundi iweze kutendeka. Nafasi ya Chief Ebusundi ipewe mkaaji wa Ebusundi ambaye ni mzaliwa Ebusundi, ameishi Ebusundi.
Ebusundi atupungukiwi na vijana, atupungukiwi na wasomi. Tuna vijana ambao wamesoma, ambao wanaweza kufanya hiyo kazi. Kama tungelikuwa hatuna yeyote, basi ndio tungelihitaji mtu kutoka nje, lakini hatuwezi kubali mtu kutoka nje ili hali sisi wenyewe tuko na vijana ambao wamesoma.
Jirani wetu tena ambaye ako na kazi ameenda pia amefanya nini? Ameenda kuapply. Na ndio kwa sababu tumeanza mapema, tunalia kozi tukiregea hiyo kitu inaweza ikaenda.
Sisi tuko na wasiwasi ile maybe yeye ako na mwenye anamjua huko mbele, anaweza pata ile kibarua, anaweza pata ile chief kuliko watoto wetu wenye wameapply hiyo kazi ya assistant chief. So tunaomba serikali itusaidie tupate mtoto wetu mwenye hapa Ebusundi mwenye aliapply hiyo chief.
Na riboti ĩno yakorwo ĩgĩtwĩkĩrĩra gaturumo ka mohoro marĩa tũkũharĩrĩirie arĩ mohoro ma thaa mũgwanja na ndagĩka 22. Ndiuma wika no ĩrĩ tuma na memereke na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Lorena Wamboi handũ-inĩ ha timu yothe ĩrĩa yakorwo ĩgĩtigĩrĩra atĩ mohoro maya nĩ magũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Saluti tugakwendithĩria wikendi na umithio. Niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Wairura.